Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Champagne coming to you back again with another hot video, you guys. So as you guys can see, I don't have anything on my lips because we're going to be doing lips today, you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys my current top nude lipstick looks that I like for someone with dark to brown skin complexion, you guys. So if you like this video, we haven't even gotten into it yet, but just give it a thumbs up if you like it. All right, so we're gonna get started. So I'm going to be doing, I want to say three of my favorite current new looks that I've been wearing all 2021 that I truly love, and that I even use these looks on my clients as well. So let's just get right into it. These looks can go with pretty much any type of look, you know, like any look, any occasion. So I'm going to be going in first thing first with my MAC lipstick. Now mind you guys, before I get started, I am severely dry lip, and I just wiped off. I did have one of my lip combos on. I wiped it off, so it's a little moisturizing. But starting off, I would apply Vaseline or something, a lip balm on your lip, and do your makeup and then wipe it off. But I'm dry, like it just eats my lips right up. So that way you'll have time to get moisture into your lips, if that makes sense, or your lip. I got my little mirror I'm going to be using, so I'm gonna be looking down, but I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to line my lip. Okay guys, so I just finished lining my lips up, and I'm just gonna go like that before I put the lipstick on to spread that liner. And I'm sorry, I said 3 looks. We're gonna be doing 4 looks, so forgive me. Okay, so the next shade I'm gonna be using, well, lip shade I'm gonna be using is this shade from Sephora and Fione. I really love this shade. I think this is Fione. I think so. It's a cream lip satin, and it dries down matte. So I'm going to be going in with that. I'm going to be using my lip pencil. And I just, how I apply mine, I just like go like this. And I put it at the top. Like I don't really go too like crazy at the top, because first of all, I don't have much lip to do that. So I mean, I have some nice lips, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. But I gotta work with what I gotta work with. And you just do that a couple of times. Clean up what you need to clean up. Now you can leave this just how it is. Matte. And y'all, I love matte, but my lips be so dang dry, so I gotta put gloss on. But you can, I might do matte later on, I don't know. You can leave it like this, or you can top it off with gloss. So this is what it looks like matte. I'm gonna put some gloss on, so you guys can see. And I am using a Q-tip, so I hope I don't have any like residue. Oh my gosh. All right, and this is with the gloss. Let's move on to the next look. So look 2 is fairly simple. I go in with this lip line is from KAC, and it's in the shade Jupiter. I really like it. And I just leave everything how it is from look one, and I add that color. It's more of an orange tint, as you guys can see. See that like orangey look? That's what it is. And I literally just dab it like this, and it kind of like change up the look, you know, into a more like a more orangey nude, if you want to say. And I just leave everything like it is. Like, I'm literally just smoothing out any harsh lines. And so this is look number 2. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing look number 3. I'm going with this brown pencil to line my lips. As you guys see, now this one is fairly simple. I'm going to be going in with this. It is by the Max Ceremonial. I don't know. This is what it is, y'all. And it's like a pinkish shade. Now the other, I don't know if I showed you guys, but the other gloss I've been using for look 1 and 2, I use this shade. It's just a regular clear gloss, and they're both from the same line, and I got it at my local beauty supply store. So I'm going to be just using this by itself, no lipstick. Okay. Oh, it looks really bright. Oh, see that? This is pretty. I like this. This is one of my looks I love, because you don't really have to add a color. It already kind of give you like that soft nude pink color look. So I really like that. I'm just cleaning it up. You guys, when I clean it up with the pencil, I just literally take the pencil and go on top of the line just to smooth out that line. And this is look number 3. Okay, you guys, I'm about to line my lip up and go in with look number 4, you guys. Okay, and remember, I'm going to be going in with this color alone, the KAC in Jupiter. Hopefully I got enough. I probably need to apply some more. I don't think I got enough on my So this is look number 4. You can wear this look just as such as a matte, if you like. And this is the matte version. Or you can add some gloss. Remember my clear gloss that I've been using. We're gonna see what that looks like adding gloss. some gloss. I feel like I'm making a mess. And this is look number 4, the gloss look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you guys. This is the current NUDE lipsticks and glosses that I'm currently using at this moment on myself and with other people such as my clients, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the looks that I showed you. And remember, all the looks came from the same lip liner pencil, which is the MAC in Chestnut, which I truly adore and love. Oh my gosh, like I just love it. I do. It's not too drying and it's not too creamy. It's good, you know? It's fire. But yeah, so this is the look, you guys. If you guys like videos like this and you want me to do more lipstick and lip liner videos, let me know, comment down below. I was thinking of doing like a red lipstick video. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video like that, and I will. And how to achieve that look on dark to brown skin, even a person as myself who has a dark natural lining lip. So if you want to see a red lipstick video like that, comment it down below and let me know. Otherwise, please give this video a huge thumbs up, you guys. Support your girl. I'm trying to do my thing on YouTube, so help support me. I have a family to feed, okay? Okay. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.